Hello friends, good morning to all of you. Today we will discuss how to create the company in Tally 4.0. For the purpose of creating the company in Tally 4.0, you have to open the Tally 4.0 by clicking on the icon of Tally 4.0. Again, when you open the Tally 4.0, you will find this type of window in front of you. This window will contain the list of the company. Here, I haven't created any company, so the list is blank. On the right hand side, you will find the menu called Create Company, Select Remote Company, Specify Path, and Select from Drive. So for the purpose of creating the company, I will select Create Company button from this window. Again, when I select Create Company, you will find the company creation window on your screen. Here, you will get the company data part. This is the data part where the data of your company will be stored. Now I have to write my company name, that is the I am writing here ABC Limited. Now it will ask for mailing name. By default mailing name will be the same whatever the your company's name. You can also change the same. Then you have to write your address of the company. Then next thing is the state name. The state name you have to select for the company in which your company is situated. Then the name of the country. Then you have to write the pin code of your company. Then here you have to write the telephone number. Then your mobile number. Here you can write the email ID. Next thing is you can also write the website name of your company. Here you will find the beige currency symbol, that is the our formal name of the beige currency is INR. Here you will write the financial year beginning from, that is I am writing here 1st April 2024, and the books beginning from also the same, that is the 1st April 2023. Now here you will find the button called F12 configure. If you click on this button F12 configure, you will find here that provide contact detail. If I press no, then all the contact detail which I have written here, telephone, mobile number, will be gone. So I am putting here yes. Now you will also know that as per the Companies Act, if it is the company private limited or say public limited, then edit log applicability is mandatory. So if I want edit log applicability yes, then I have to select here yes. If I want to create the televault password to encrypt the company data, then I have to select here yes. I can also create the user access control by selecting here yes, and also I can provide the additional page for my currency detail. So I am here putting down yes in all the column. Again when I will press yes, you will find here another menu. Same for example, enable edit log. So here I have to press yes. Next thing is the security set, Tally Vault password to encrypt the company data, control user access to company data. Next thing is here you will find that suffix the symbol to the amount, add space between amount and symbol. So this is the additional option for the purpose of creating the company. However, today only we have discussed some of the basic function for the purpose of creating the company in Tally 4.0. You will also here define the decimal point for the purpose of your amount. Normally the decimal point will be the two for our Indian rupees, and what will be the name of this decimal. So the decimal name will be the paise. Here you can create the company. As and when you fill up all the data, you have to paste the enter till the last moment. Here you will find the message called accept yes or no. So here you can press enter or press yes. As and when you press yes, your company is created. So in this way you can create the company in Tally 4.0. So I hope you will understand this. Thank you very much.